Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, I mean. Happy Sunday. I'm Sherry Koepsel, and I am going to be the trophy girl and a judge, oh boy, at the Hot Rods on Hampton today. Sorry for those faces, but I gotta adjust the makeup here in the natural lighting. Of course, I had issues with my fake eyelashes again. I used to be so good at putting on fake eyelashes. I used to be able to just throw them right on and they'd be perfect. Not so much anymore. I've lost my touch. I just thought of something that I needed to run back in my house for, and of course now I forgot. This place is super far from my house in Butler, so I gotta make it snappy so I can get there in time. It's a little chilly today. 64 degrees. Wah, wah, wah. Fall is here, people. Fall is here. I'm trying to plan another photo shoot, one last one of the season with John Lathrop. It's probably going to be Tuesday, but we don't know for sure yet. I don't know a theme yet. I'll let you know. I'll keep you posted. But for now, hopefully I can have somebody do a little video of the show. I will definitely walk around and video the cars myself and the motorcycles. But maybe when I'm on stage, somebody can do, I don't even know if there's a stage, but whenever I'm handing out the trophies and whatnot, hopefully someone can video for me. And that's what I need to get, a new battery for my camera. Holy shit, you guys, this is a huge event. There's millions of people. I have to park like 40,000 blocks away. So I gotta get going here. I see it. Gotta go to bottoms up. Good, you?
Because the picture of you online is
Wax and the touch. Yeah.
Why do you have 8 wheels?
Alright, so I didn't get to record it. I think Rachel took pictures. This was a cool event, for sure. And I am on my way to my car now. Whew, I made it back to my car, you guys. I parked like 17 miles away because this event was so crazy. I had no idea it was going to be so many people here. Am I even pointing my camera at myself? Way to go, Rachel. You had a good, you planned a good event here, sister. Yeah, I'm gonna head home now because I missed Gia. And that's the end of this vlog. So stay tuned for more exciting vlogs.
Before the year's over, I'm closing out more deals. I've been through it all, man. I tell you, I wanna feel. Top's the only place for me. That's where I live at. The year flew is garbage. Like, damn, what is